start off with our clean snapper, the beautiful fish. We're gonna score these bad boys a little, both sides.
I've got those snapper blues.
I'm gonna pre-season these today. I'm not gonna cook these today. I'm gonna cook them tomorrow because they are gonna be fried first before they get stewed. So I want to have, you know, a little extra time for the seasoning to soak in. Let's open these bad boys up a little more. Kosher salt. Add a little extra seasoning just because it is going to be fried, so we're going to lose a little bit of the seasoning in the process of frying it. So you just want to, whenever you're making a fried fish, take that into consideration that you're going to lose some of it in the fryer. So don't be afraid to, you know, be a little liberal. Here's some black pepper. Don't be afraid to be generous. I'm going to use some bouillon powder also here. It just heightens everything. Normally I would be making a steamed snapper, so it would be stuffed with anything, anywhere from callaloo or spinach or any type of leafy green, cooked down a little bit just to add, you know, add a little extra to it. So we want to do, let this bad boy bend a little so those seasonings could get into those slices that I made. Okay, now last but not least, definitely one of the most important components is our Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Definitely want to get some of that. It's not so much for the heat, it's more for the flavor. It's gonna have a little heat, but like I said, some of it will come off. You'll lose a little bit in the oil. Just want some of that. The other side. Can't hurt, put a little inside. I would prefer to use the fresh Scotch bonnet peppers, but I don't have it available right now. I mean, I'm sure there's a place in Georgia where I might be able to get it. I just haven't. I've found some, but not the real deal Holyfield. All right, let those rock overnight. I'm gonna cover these with plastic, and we'll have back at it tomorrow. About another half an hour, let it cook. I just want everything to break down really nice. So once this is done, I will just blend everything, hit everything with the Immersion Blender and mix in the pumpkin, and that'll be our gravy for the fish. Let's add some oil to the pan. Diced red onion, our grape tomatoes, bell peppers, chopped garlic. Throw in a little black pepper, a little chicken bouillon, a little Scotch bonnet, of course, a little flavor. I'm gonna saute this a little bit, get rid of some of the crispness. Now, I would love to use fresh callaloo. I don't have any, so I'll be using canned callaloo. So what you're gonna try to do is, when you open the can, try to strain off as much of the liquid as you can. Just add a little water. Since we're not using fresh callaloo, we want to try to cook these veggies a little because the callaloo is already cooked. Put a little bit more water. This coconut milk is going to make it so creamy and rich. All right, let's add the callaloo in. That's it. Thing set up. All right, let's hit this bad boy. And salt. All right, pumpkin puree ready. Let's keep this on the stove, just keep it warm. Fish going into the fryer. Gonna take this snapper,